Here's a dress that I am enough of wearing as a dress. Now I'm going to do for trimming, and of course it's going to be a skirt. So let's have a look how I'm going to do it. So now I'll be needing a facing from upper bit, and this is the size I'm going to use it. So it's 1 inch. So again, this is half and a half, 1.5 inch. This is 1.5 inch, and this is going to be a 2 inches wide because I have to turn inside as well. So now I have to remove all the straight lines because I attached the elastic in between belt, and this is how it looked. I'm going to try it on. Before that, I need to put this in. So here it is. I did. Finally, I love it. And this is the back. As usual, it's gathered. It's normal one. No, it's nice. So, and these are really still there, and it's elasticated. I can adjust. So I can wear. Oh. Thanks for watching.